Hi everybody, I am Kat Gunn, and today we have a very special London Royal Ravens LG UltraGear monitor unboxing competition. We have Team Jedi versus Team Sith, who will only use absolutes in order to get everything they need done in building this monitor. So today we are unboxing the LG UltraGear 27GP850. These guys are going to compete to see who could do it the fastest and then play a COD trivia game afterwards to take time off to see who the overall victor is between the two teams. Are you guys ready?
Sure.
Ready?
I'm ready, Matt.
All right, go.
Oh, wait, come on. Oh, I'm swearing. Oh, whack it in.
Right. That's it in. Go on first. That bit. Where's one? Get out. I need screws, man. Right. Yes, straight go. You tell me. Get on.
Oh, you were doing this.
I noticed on Team Sith we're having a little bit of trouble. What just happened there, Marcus?
You got me dodgy face, man.
You got me a dodgy thumb.
You're all right. Is it still working?
It's still working. Not plugged yet. We've got the plug.
No, we still are missing plugs, guys. We need to have it plugged in so that it can go and have power. You got your plug in too? All right.
No screen will be coming on. Oh, yeah. Get something else.
It's the only one you need. That's the only one you need.
You only said power cable.
No, only power cable. All right, so it looks like after that first round, Team Jedi is in the lead by about 30 seconds. Hey, Marcus, how's it going?
Not too bad, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
That's good.
So I have a question.
Shoot.
Why is it important to have a good monitor?
Every top tier player has a good monitor, all right? So if you want to compete at the top level, you have to have a good monitor. Mainly it's to do with the hertz, but yeah.
All right, so that's how you get good.
Well, I don't know how you get good. I mean, you need thumbs to get good, but.
So the higher the hertz, the more it hurts your enemy. No? Okay.
What's she on about?
No puns allowed here. Got it. All right, Marcus, so why does it matter to have a monitor with good refresh rate?
Having a good refresh rate is good for reaction time with the monitor. Higher the hertz of the monitor, so the 240, quick reaction time. If you've got a high-end PC, you want a 240, just because you may as well, you know what I mean?
So, of course, we're getting better and better with these monitors, and now we got our 4K. How has that impacted your enjoyment when looking at a monitor that's 4K?
It is good. I've played a few games on there, for example, like Destiny on a 4K monitor, and honestly, it looks unreal. If you're playing story games, not really competitive games, it's actually really, really good. Really,
Elden Ring.
Really good.
You gotta be
Elden
playing.
Ring.
Yeah.
Not played it yet, but I want to play on a 4K monitor if I had the chance, 100%. Yeah.
All right, so last question, Marcus. Why is it important to have low latency, and in what situations is that relevant?
Best situation to have a low latency monitor is when you're pre-aiming someone on COD. If someone's coming around the corner, for example, Sim's coming around the corner, he's going to slide at me, mate. I need to have a quick reaction time on it, because let me tell you, if I don't, I'm getting absolutely smashed, mate.
What makes a good monitor, Trey?
Response time, picture, easy to use, don't have to change too many settings. Response time and picture is probably the main thing, just, I like seeing and I like seeing quick.
What difference does it make to play on a monitor with good refresh rate?
A good refresh rate? I mean, I'm not really too clued up on it, you see, I just go for the best. I'm not a tech whiz, I don't know what's what, but I just know the higher the hertz, the better it is.
That's why you go for LG.
Exactly, LG, 240 hertz, probably even 280, I don't know. But I know 240 hertz is the sweet spot right now, so we like 240 hertz, and that's what LG do.
So of course, like you said, you got your refresh rate, you got your hertz. What about the crisp, the 4K? Does that bring any enjoyment when you have that on your monitor?
Not too sure, I'm not really a 4K user. You see, I'm a 1080p, we don't really use the old 4K in the old competitive, but for games other than Call of Duty, we got Elden Ring. Stunning on 4K, stunning, absolutely.
Obviously, having low latency on a monitor can be very important. How is that important to you, and in what situation does that matter?
I mean, anything lower in latency is great, You've got ping, that's great. And lower latency monitor, even better. I don't like lagging. Yeah, and I don't like visually lagging either. You know, seeing things, being able to be responsive to things. I like to be as responsive as my body is, you know. I like it to be in time with me. So if it's not, that's when I get really annoyed, and if I can feel it slow, that's when I get really annoyed.
Thanks again for watching, guys. We really appreciate you tuning in. Huge shout out to LG UltraGear for sponsoring this. We'll see you guys next time.
Thank you, LG. We love you, LG.
Bye.
Love you, LG.